Hello there. I'm doing an unboxing of the Zeppoli air cleaner. I bought it on Amazon. I also built these PM 2.5 monitors that play a role in how this works. The Zeppoli is a nice unit, comes in a nice box. It says it covers 120 square feet and is 35 watts, and it plugs into a regular outlet. It does say that it'll filter out fine particles like dander, dust mites, pollen, other allergens as small as 0.3 microns from the air. It also says it has a carbon filter, absorbs household odors such as cooking smells, pat odors, burnt tobacco, and more. This is the contents of the box of the Zeppoli air cleaner. This is the Zeppoli. It's approximately 7 inches in diameter and maybe 18 inches tall. It has a nice control here. On, it's got 2, 4, and 8 hour timer, and low, medium, and high. It also has a light. Looks like it has 3 levels, including off. This is a test that I set up using the Zeppoli Air Purifier and 2 PM 2.5 monitors. The PM 2.5 monitors measure particles in the air that we can't see. However, it's a great way to determine whether or not this air purifier removes very small particles from the air. The test procedure is to light 6 wicks in candles, blow the candles out, then the time between the max PM 2.5 reading and getting back down to 50. The one thing that I found that was a little difficult on the Zeppoli was that the filter was wrapped in a plastic bag and it still operated, and it's hard to get the bottom off the first time. So I opened this up, and here's the filter, and it was sealed in a plastic bag, and I think everybody who buys any filter has to look at the filter itself and make a determination of whether it's wrapped in a plastic bag or not, because it'll blow air with the filter, with the baggie on it, but it won't filter air. So I did some testing, and at the low setting it pulls 13 watts, at the medium setting it pulls 20 watts, at the high setting 31 watts. Sound level measured with my phone was 44 decibels at the low setting with a background of 43. That's pretty quiet. 46 at the middle level and 55 at the highest level. You can hear it in the other room if it's on its high level. When I did the testing with the PM 2.5, it did very well. When I made smoke by blowing out the candles, about 6 minutes to clear out a small bathroom down to a reasonable level. So the filter capacity seems to be fine. Where I see these being beneficial is when you have smoke from outside coming in the house, such as wildfires upwind of you and you're getting a lot of smoke in your house. You can put yourself in a room, seal the room up, and use one of these to bring the particulate level down to a reasonable level. So would I recommend buying this? Yeah, it's a pretty good unit. I don't have a price for replaceable filters, and I don't have the price of the unit right now. It probably fluctuates, but that's my review. Yeah, buy this thing. It's fine.